Sometimes in our life it is very hard, it is means so hard to express your emotions in those way which you can't do. Yes, which you can't do because you can't have possibilities or power for doing or attaining your those real roles which you want, but you have to do because this is your duty, this is your responsibilities. And here responsibilities means your the worship you have to do. Then what you will do or think about them. So namaskar, radhe radhe. In our life sometimes we are making ourselves so hectic in those of conditions which makes us feel so hard. For realizing them, for understanding them, it is so tough, we can't manage, we can't handle. But sometimes means easily we get any power through the nature and understand why we have those kinds of understanding that this is so hard, we can't do, because we can do. Yes, we can do, but first of all, a little moment we have to keep silence and think for it, that how hardness in those way where we can't manage, in that kinds of thoughts we arise in our mind, isn't it? Yes, we have to understand one reality of our life, that our minds are the real boon, real supportive aspect, can say, in the form of Lord's divine blessing also. So we have to make our mind in those way where we can manage every hard situation in easiest form. Yes, our mind can do, our mind can accomplish all those things in such a way. First of all, we have to think in the similar way. If we want to see easy sides, then first of all we have to think the easiest way of means those performance for the front one. Then we will see how easy to feel it, to understand it. And there overall nature is always with us, we can manage all those things. Maybe how hard the themes, the person, the situations makes us feel downward, and also demoralized feeling just arise again and again. But in those situations we can manage all those themes in particular way, in managed way. We have the power to do those things. But first of all we have to understand our realities, our real form, what we can do, what we can think. Because not every time the hectic conditions, the hectic persons are the reason for making us feel demoralized or low. We are the reason, first of all, that they are doing, they are giving their choices. But here what we are doing, we are taking the same, because we can have to understand they are doing, but here we have to understand, we have to take not in the similar way those things which they are giving to us, because their choices, their life, their all the advantage they have to share. Here we have to keep our thoughts and minds in those way that we have to feel like like light and comfortable in our beliefs, in our thoughts, in our inner feelings. Because if we are making ourselves mess, then we are not doing bad for them, actually we are doing worst with our own self response, or means with our self affirmations, realizations. Then we are there the real enemy of our own belief, own real state. So first of all we have to understand, if we think negativity in any of conditions, then we are not making any kinds of negative for the others, we are doing, means we are doing wrong with ourself, with our self belief. We are just, you can say, no, the cheating with not others, cheating with our own self devotion, self realizations. So here, seeing after many of heart's feeling, or someone's behavior, someone attaining roles, we have to keep silent, we have to keep our mind, our real emotions in peaceful ways. This is called the worship. This is called the devotion and understanding of real life lessons. Life is itself a great and divine gift for all of us, given by the Lord in the form of our parents. Then why we are missing our life? Why we don't have right to do those things? Because our parents did so much sacrifices for giving us this divine life. So we have to respect our life. We have to understand the reality, the real response, divine response our life. So life is very precious, and we all have to worship. Worship means with possibilities or positivity. We have to think beautifully for everyone's around. Maybe what they are giving, their choices, but we have to think always care and happiness, positivity to everyone's around. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.